Today we are going to learn how to find north with just a stick. Hello everybody. In the last video, we learned how to make a compass using water and a needle. But what if we don't have a needle? So today, we are going to learn how to find north or make a compass with a stick, only a stick. So the first step is find an area that you can make a shadow with the stick. Put the stick in the ground. Step number 2 is to mark where the shadow is. And step 3 is to wait about 10 minutes and then mark where the shadow has moved. Step 4 is to draw an arrow pointing from the first point to the second point, or take your stick and line it up so that you're pointing. And then you know where the sun moves from, or you might not know, but the sun moves from east to west, so the shadow would move from west to east. That means that the arrow is pointing east. So if you stand up with the stick and your right hand is pointing east where the arrow is pointing, then you know north is right in front of you. I know this was a short video, but I hope you learned something new and you can go try this with your parents. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye!